Okay, bale, this is my second example about the topic situational problems involving circle. Okay, it says a piece of a broken plate was dug up in an archaeological site. It was put on top of a grid as shown, with the arc of plate passing through A negative 70, B14, and 72. Find the center and the standard equation of the circle describing the boundary of the plate. Okay. So, kapag ganitong uri ng problem, mapapansin nyo, 3 points on the circle are given. Point A, point B, and point C. So, bago natin makuha yung hinahanap sa problem na kung saan yun yung center at saka yung standard equation ng circle natin, especially the standard equation, kailangan alam natin yung location of the center and the length of the radius. Sa case nito, wala parehas yung dalawang conditions na yon. Sa makatwid, hindi ka agad-agad natin masosolve yung standard equation of the circle. What we're going to do is we're going to apply the equations of, it can be the equation of a circle with center at HK, or using the general equation of a circle to solve for the center and length of the radius of this plate, no? Na circular plate, kaso basag, no? Ito lang ang natira. So, kailangan makuha natin yung center at makuha din natin yung length ng radius para maitsura natin kung ano talaga yung laki ng ating circular plate. Now, paano natin gagawin yon? Kailangan, actually, there are two methods on how you're going to solve this problem. One method is we use the standard form of a circle. We plug in all of these points one by one, and then we solve the values of H, K, and R by elimination method. And the other way to solve this problem, gagamit tayo ng napakaraming concepts. Concept ng slope, concept ng parallel and perpendicular lines, concept ng midpoint, and then what else? Concept ng equation of a line. So, ilan yon? Yung first method, sulat ko Pag method 1, yung gagamitin natin, um, kailangan lang natin dito is the standard form of a circle. Standard form, center at HK. Pag yung method 2, ang kailangan natin, ang dami. Midpoint formula, ano pa, perpendicular lines, slope of perpendicular lines, then slope, and the equation of a line, yung point slope form. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, saka pa lang natin gagamitin yung standard form. Once na nakuha na natin yung center, o nalocate na natin yung HK, and then, alam na natin yung length ng radius. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pero dito, standard form lang, pero napakahaba ng solution. So, isolve muna natin tong problem na to base dun sa method 1 na sinasabi ko. Okay. So, tanggalin ko to. Okay. Ang required sa problem ay ma-determine natin yung center, At alamin natin yung kanyang standard equation. Okay. So, ang kailangan natin ay location of the center, yung HK, at kailangan natin yung length ng radius. Yan ang ating required sa problem. Yeah. Okay, method 1 muna. Okay. By the way, I forgot to tell you pala, yung method 1 pala, gagamit tayo ng elimination method para ma-solve natin yung HK and R. So, dalawa. Standard equation of standard form of circle and elimination method. Galing ko to. Okay. Okay, gamit yung standard form of a circle, we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. We have r squared. Yan. Isa-substitute natin yung values of x and y dito sa standard form ng circle natin with center at hk. And then, we're going to expand. We're going to come up with 3 equations. Okay yung 3 equations. Bakit? Kasi we have 3 unknowns. Anong hinahanap natin? Values of h, k, and r. Since may tatlo tayong points, makakapaggawa tayo dito ng tatlong equations. At yung tatlong equations na yon ay enough para ma-solve natin yung tatlong hinahanap. Okay. So, at point A, muna tayo mag-umpisa. Point A. Substitute natin. Si point A ay negative 7, 0. Na to. So, x is negative 7, k is 0. So, substitute. So, negative 7 minus h squared plus y is 0. So, 0 minus k. Sorry, squared. R squared. And then we expand. This is square of the difference, sum and difference of two terms. We have square of negative 7 is 49. Product of these two, twice of the product of these two, that will be 7h times 2 is 14h. Square of h is h squared. This 0 minus k is negative k. Squared of negative k is positive k squared equals r squared. So this is our equation 1. Yan. Next is, apply naman natin si point B. Si point B. Coordinates niya 1, 4. Okay. So substitute natin doon sa ating standard form with vertex, with center at HK. We have x is 1. So 1 minus h squared plus y is 4. 4 minus k squared equals r squared. Okay. Expand. So 1 minus 2h plus h squared plus square of 4 is 16. Twice the product of these two is, that is negative 8k. Square of k is k squared plus equals r squared. Pwede natin pagsamahin yung 116. That will be 17. 17 minus 2h minus 8k plus h squared plus k squared equals r squared. Okay, check natin. This is our equation 2. Next is point B. Point C, sorry. Point C is located at 7, 2. Substitute natin yung x and y values do sa ating standard form ng circle. We have x is 7, so 7 minus h squared plus y is 2. 2 minus k squared equals r squared. expand 49 minus 14h plus h squared, and then square root of 2 is 4. Product of these two, twice of the product of these two is minus 4k plus k squared equals r squared. 49 and 4 is 53 minus 14h minus 4k plus h squared then plus k squared equals r squared. This is our equation 3. Okay. Equation 3. Yan. Dito na papasok yung ating elimination. We have 3 equations. We can use equations 1 and 2 to eliminate this h squared, k squared, and r squared. And we can use equations 1 and 3 to eliminate also h squared, k squared, and r squared. Okay. Gamitin natin yung equations, eliminate. H squared, k squared, and r squared using equations 1 and 3. Okay. Yan. Paano yan? So, equation 1 is 49 plus 14h plus h squared plus k squared equals r squared. And equation 2 is, equation 1 and 2 muna. Okay. Okay. And 1 is 17. 17 minus, minus 2h minus 8k, may space dito, plus h squared plus k squared equals r squared. Okay. Okay. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Para eliminate yan, we subtract the two equations. So that is 49 minus 17 is, that will be 32. 32. 14 minus 2h, that will become positive, so 16h. Bring down, negative 8k will become positive 8k. And then, eliminated na yung ito. And then, this will become equal to 0. At tatawagin natin itong equation 4. Yan. We have 32 plus 16h plus 8k equals 0, equation 4. Now, gamitin naman natin yung equations 1 and 3 to eliminate same variables, h squared, k squared, and r squared. Okay? So, eliminate. Tanggalin natin ito. So, eliminate r squared, k squared, and h squared using equations 1 and 3. Okay. Yung 1 and 3 natin, we have 49 plus 14h plus h squared plus k squared equals r squared. And then equation 3 is 53 minus 14h, and then minus 14h minus 4k plus h squared plus k squared equals r squared. Now, again, we subtract. Pag sinubtract, that will be 49 minus 53, that is negative 4. This will become positive 28H. And then this is plus 4K equals 0. So that will become our equation 5. But pwede pa natin itong i-simplify by dividing all of the terms by 4. The result is negative 1 plus 7H plus K equals 0. This is our equation 5. Pansin ko, yung equation 4 natin, pwede pang masimplify by dividing both sides, all of the terms by 4. So, pag dinivide natin to ng 8, the new equation will be 4 plus 2H plus K equals 0. So, this is our new equation 4. Yeah. So, equation 4 and equation 5, pwede nating ma-eliminate si K para ma-solve si H. Okay? Okay. Tanggalin ko na to. Okay. Okay, eliminate K. And solve for H. Okay. Using equations 4 and 5. So equation 4 is 4 plus 2H plus K equals 0. The equation 5 is negative 1 plus 7H plus K equals 0. Then, we subtract. So, pag sinubtract yung dalawang equations, 4 minus minus 1 is positive 5. So, 2 minus positive 7H is negative 5H. And K minus K is 0. So, therefore, 5 minus 5H is equal to 0. Therefore, H equals transpose negative 5H divided by 5. Therefore, H equals 1. So, ito na yung value ng ating H. Ang kailangan na lang natin ay K. Solving for K para makuha na natin yung location ng center. Solving for K. Ano yun? So, solving for K, gamitin naman natin yung equation 4. Substitute the value of H to equation 4. So, we have 4 plus 2H plus K equals 0. Then, tanggalin ko na yung K. Nasa na equation equation 3. Yan. Tira natin yung equation 3. Gagamitin natin mamaya. Okay. Value of H is 1. Therefore, 4 plus 2 times 1 plus K equals 0. Therefore, K equals negative 6. Tama? Okay. 4 plus 2, K equals negative 6. So, this is your K. Therefore, ang center natin ay located sa 1, negative 6. Ayan ang location ng center. So, kailangan na lang natin ay yung length ng radius para makuha natin yung standard equation of the circle. Yung length of radius can be solved using, let us use equation 3. Gamit itong equation 3, okay, erase na natin to. Solving for R. Gamitin natin yung equation 3. We have 53 minus 14h minus 4k plus h squared plus k squared equals r squared. Substitute natin yung values ng h and k. We have 53 minus 14 times 1 minus 4 times negative 6 plus 1 squared plus negative 6 squared equals r squared. Ito na. So we have 53 minus 14 plus 24 plus 1 plus 36 equals to r squared. So we have 53 minus 14 plus 24 plus 1 plus 36 equals. So answer is 100. So r squared equals 100. Therefore, the length of the radius is equal to 10. Yeah. So nakuha na natin yung center. Nakuha na natin yung length of the radius. Pwede na nating makuha yung standard equation ng circle. Okay. Burahin ko naman to. So, ang standard equation of the circle na pinapahanap sa atin will be standard equation. X minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. Substitute natin yung h and k. We have x minus 1 plus y minus 6. So that will become y plus 6 equals r squared is 100. So this is the answer to the problem. We have the radius, we have the center, and we have the standard equation of this circle para dun sa ating plate. So sa makatuwid, papaganito siya. Center niya ay nasa 1, negative 6, 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nandito. Then ang radius niya 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O, tama doon. So, medyo ganitong itsura niya. Actually, yung sketch of the graph ng circle, hindi naman din required sa problem. Pero ganito ang itsura niya. Yan yung plate na na-dug up sa archaeological site. Okay. Ang center niya ay 1, negative 6. The length of the radius is 10. So the diameter of the plate will be 20 units. And then the standard equation will be square of x minus 1 plus square of 5 plus 6 equals to 100. So on my next video, didiscuss ko yung other method in solving this kind of problem. So thank you and goodbye.